Sir, may I ask you something?
Of course, Joy. What's on your mind?
I've been struggling to speak English fluently. I can understand it, but when I try to talk, I hesitate. Can you guide me?
That's a great question, Joy. Speaking English fluently is about practice and confidence. Do you know what the most important first step is?
What is it, sir?
Start by thinking in English. Don't translate from your native language. When you think directly in English, sentences will form naturally.
But how do I train myself to think in English?
Begin small. For example, when you see an object like a book or a chair, name it in English in your mind. Gradually, form simple sentences about what you're doing. Like, I am writing, or I am reading.
That's interesting. Should I also focus on grammar while speaking?
Don't let grammar stop you at first. Speak freely, even if you make mistakes. Fluency comes first. Accuracy can follow with practice.
What about improving my vocabulary? I often get stuck when I don't know the right word.
Read English books, listen to podcasts, and watch English movies with subtitles. Whenever you come across a new word, write it down and try to use it in sentences.
Should I practice speaking with someone?
Yes, definitely. Find a partner or join an English-speaking group. If you don't have anyone, talk to yourself in front of a mirror. It builds confidence.
That sounds a bit funny, but I'll try it. Any other tips?
Yes! Record yourself speaking and listen to it. You'll notice areas for improvement. Also, don't fear mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something new.
Thank you, sir. I feel more confident already.
That's the spirit, Joy. Remember, consistency is key. Practice every day, and soon you'll speak fluently without even realizing it.
I'll start right away. Thank you so much for your guidance, sir.
My pleasure, Joy. Keep practicing, and I'm always here if you need help.